making banana pudding today with Fritz. It only takes 7 ingredients. You use Cool Whip, vanilla wafers, 2 cups of milk, French vanilla pudding, condensed milk, cream cheese, and bananas. First, you put vanilla wafers in a line. Then you flatten it all evenly. Then you lay the bananas on it. And you cut them up in small pieces like this. Then you add the 2 packages of the French vanilla pudding into a mixer. Then you add the 2 cups of milk in there with the pudding. Then you mix it. Once the pudding has been well mixed, you add a whole can of condensed milk, and 1 stick of cream cheese. Then add a whole thing of Cool Whip into the condensed milk. And add the bowl of Cool Whip, condensed milk, and cream cheese into the pudding. Now you refrigerate it until you're ready to eat it.